This way. Okay. Let's try to take him out quietly. Hey, I'll follow your lead.
All right. Hey, how you doing?
Just trying to keep warm. How's it looking out there?
We put down some infected. No sign of those tourists.
You think they're still in the city?
Yeah, they're still around.
You got moves, man. Got him. Okay, everyone move up.
Hold on. There it is! There!
Nailed it! See that shit?
Not bad.
Up there. I see him.
Hey, you hear that? Clicking.
Yeah, I hear it, but I don't see shit.
Spread out.
Get him! Cover me! I'm moving up!
Yeah, got your back.
Don't lose him! Hey, he's over here!
All right, we did it.
Henry, give me a hand with this.
All right, you ready?
All right, come on.
Wait.
Hey, they're over here!
Oh, no. Got him. Come on, everyone.
Keep your eyes open. We ain't out of this mess yet. All right, check it out.
We're good. Sam, let's go.
All right, kid, come on. There you go.
Come on.
Oh, shit! Hurry! Ellie!
Okay, we gotta get him up.
I'm sorry. We're leaving.
What? What's this bullshit?
Hey, now!
What the fuck, Henry?
One more time! Punch it!
We stick together. Joel, come on!
Let's go!
Okay.
Go around to the other side!
Fuck, do we get out of here?
Sounds like they found him. Spread out. They might come through here. Get him! Behind the bar! All right, go! Fuck back.
Bastard.
Search the area.
Did you just see me?
That was good.
Thank you.
All right, let's get underneath it. Fucking open it! Go!
many bullets do you have left?
They're gonna kill us.
What other choice do we have?
We jump.
No, it's too high and you can't swim. I'll boost you up, you run past them.
You'll keep me afloat.
Ellie!
No time to argue.
Ellie! Damn it! Ah! I got you.
Henry! He's awake!
Hey, you. We're alive. Okay.
See? What'd I tell you, huh? He's good. Everything's fine.
You know, Sam's the one who spotted you. You guys are taking quite a bit of water. What's wrong? Henry!
Get back,
hey,
son!
hey, hey! He's pissed, but he's not gonna do anything.
You sure about that?
Stop!
Joel?
He left us to die out there.
No, you had a good chance of making it, and you did. But coming back for you meant putting him at risk. Stay back. If it was the other way around, would you have come back for us? I saved you.
He saved me too. We would have drowned.
It's fine, I'm okay. You know, for what it's worth, I'm really glad we spotted you. Now, that radio tower, it's on the other side of this cliff. Okay? Place is gonna be full of supplies. You're gonna be really happy you didn't kill me.
Hey, we're gonna search this area. See what we come up with.
That was intense. You cool?
Yeah. Let's go find that radio tower.
Do you trust him? Yeah, I do. Hey, don't worry about it. We're fine. Okay?
Hey, maybe we can find something in that boat over there.
Way ahead of you, kid.
Keep your eyes peeled.
Whoa.
What?
First time on a boat.
Well, it's a little bit different in the water.
One step at a time.
Can't go this way.
For a second there, I thought you might shoot him.
Yeah, almost did.
They're all right. I think it's good to have them around.
I think you're right.
Did everyone have boats back then?
Got a 60-foot
Hey, Allie!
yacht.
I think we found something.
Let's go see what it is.
Hey, I bet this goes all the way through. Give me a hand with this.
All right, same time. Come on.
Let's do it.
kids, go. All right, there we go. All right, you go in. Okay.
Hey, flashlight's out. Sam, stay close. Someone's finally learning. Which way?
Joel, we should see what's over here.
All right, we'll check this side out.
I'm not a fan.
Me neither. We ain't got much of a choice.
If you can get it open, I can crawl through and clear that door. Oh, yeesh. That is a big rat. And voila. Do you think they'll join us? All the way to Tommy's?
Well, I don't know. We're just gonna have to see how everything pans out.
Hey, this way. Looks like there's a path up ahead. Right here.
Can't reach it. Henry, give it a shot.
All right. Yeah, it's working.
I'm gonna have a look. You keep an eye out.
shit.
Joel! You okay?
Yeah. Still in one piece. Let's go, Ellie.
Oh, there you go. That's smart.
Ah, I can't wait to get out of this place.
All right, see if that generator still got some juice.
Here goes nothing.
Can't believe this actually worked.
Yeah, don't jinx us. I gotta say, I'm impressed with you two.
We're pros at this by now. What's up with this?
Think there's people inside? Maybe.
Are we really going in here?
It's a soundtrack.
A what?
It's a sort of alarm.
I don't hear anything.
Someone used to live here. Don't look like that's the case anymore.
Who would stay in here?
Someone who thought they could keep a place like this safe.
Oh, awesome.
Ellie,
Calm down. Hey, Sam.
Yeah?
Stand by those posts over there.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay, do it. Oh, Henry, did you see that?
Let's keep it down, buddy, okay?
Yeah, Sorry.
You hear that? Infected.
Shh. Quiet.
Look out!
Well, I guess we know what happened to these people.
Seeing how there was a clicker, they've been gone for a while.
We keep moving forward. All we can do is hope there aren't any more of them. Doubtful. Enough.
Jesus.
Hey, you think that leads out?
Could be. It's too high for a boost. Maybe there's another way to get there.
Yeah, I'm cool.
That was me. I must have triggered some kind of safety gate or something. Henry, see if we can lift this.
So, this is awkward.
Yeah, I know. It's like every time.
Hey, this thing isn't budging, man.
Just go. Get out of here.
Sam, you stay close to him.
Henry, we gotta fucking move!
You keep him safe! Go!
You're gonna be fine.
Yeah, I know.
All right, come on, kid. See if we can find a way out of here, yeah?
Okay. Did you see that?
Stay behind me. If I run, you run.
Yeah. Joel! Behind you!
We're gonna keep going. You good?
Yeah. Look at this place. It's like a classroom. Why couldn't they keep it safe?
Son, I wish I knew. God knows they didn't deserve it. You think you can knock that ladder down?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
There we go.
Good job, kid.
Is that Ellie?
Come on.
Joel, that's them.
Sam!
Oh, thank God. You gotta keep running. Going, over there.
Sam!
Run! Too many of them!
Ellie, get away from the door!
Maybe if we push it together.
Sam! He just crawled through.
He what? Sam, what the hell are you doing?
Getting us out of here.
Well, hurry up then.
All right, go.
Everyone upstairs. Let's go.
from the other side.
Make it fast.
Come on, Sam. You're not staying in here.
What about you?
I'll be fine. Come on, go.
Get ready.
Here we go.
Move. Let's go, let's go.
Fresh air.
Look at this.
Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Thanks for the warning on the other side, guys.
So where's this tower?
We're close. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing, little man?
That was a close one, huh?
Yeah, not one of our finest moments, but we made it out.
Yeah.